Hi guys, just wanted to check in with you following your workshop a couple of weeks ago. And I wanted to share a short video with you to describe how to use the Catalyst DiSC platform, which you will find really useful. It's got lots of tools on there. If you haven't explored it already, I'd encourage you to do so. So this is just a couple of minutes video just to explore, show you where things are. You've got a personalized disc podcast on there, which is about 16 minutes long, really good. Um, and then you can compare yourself to your colleagues in all sorts of different ways. So I'm going to share my screen and show you how to hop on. So the first thing you do is you head to catalyst.everythingdisc.com and you'll be able to put your password in there. You've probably been on here already because that's where you downloaded your report from. So you should be able to see that. The first thing you can do is hop on here for your disc style. And you can see the overview of everything here. But the thing is, finding the podcast is down here. And you can download the actual podcast. So you might want to do this on your phone if you want to download it to your phone so you can do it on your drive to work or something like that. Or if you prefer reading, you can download the actual transcript, but that's quite long. And it's a lot of reading. But so you might be better with the podcast. The other thing that you might find quite useful is comparing your style to your colleagues. So you can hop on here and you can select any one of your colleagues here. You can type the name in. But I want to compare myself to Bianca, for example, who's a different style to me. She's the C style, I'm the I style. You can click on her name or whoever's name you want. And it tells you what they care about, when to pull them in, and what might stress that person out based on their style. And then it meshes your two maps together. So you've got your own map, and then you've got your map of your colleague. And then it tells you a little bit about each style, what they value and prefer. Then it gives you your top similarities that you have with that person. And then it tells you the top differences that you've got with that person. Then you can compare all your tendencies here on a lot of different continuums. But I think what you might find even more useful than that is if you go to build a team map, you can do groups here. And you can map everyone along those continuums, which I think could be more useful. So if you want to do, you can create a group by create group. You can group name, direct reports, or department might be interesting for you. You can share it with your colleagues to save them having to map it as well. Give it a name. And then you can pop everyone in who's done it, basically. And then I'm just going to give you a few names just as an example, just to show you. So once you've mapped those people, there's 3 people being mapped here. I think I mapped 3 of them. Yeah. And then you can go here, which is really useful, gives you what the group looks like, and then it maps each person along these continuum, which I really love. So we've got accommodating versus strong-willed, and you can have a little look at this list, tells you who's answered, how they answered. Then the next one is private versus outgoing. Again, how they answered is there. Focused on feelings or focused on logic. Tactful versus frank. Structured, unstructured. Realities or possibilities. Skeptical, accepting. And fast-paced or steady-paced. So it's just a really useful tool to build out for your group, your project, your department, whoever you want to have a look at. And you've got access to all the people at Baird who've completed it and put themselves on the database here. So I think that's probably enough for now. If you've got any questions at all, please just give me a shout. You've got my email, and I'm here to help. All right, guys. That's it for now. Thank you very much.